How to check categories in Temu. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can search the item according to the categories. First of all, open the application. Now here on the top, you can see the search bar. You can simply search for the product and it will directly pop up here. But if you want to have categorization, here on the bottom, you can see this categories option. Tap on it. Here on the left hand side, you can see different type of categories available. So you can scroll down to the end, so you can select the one from which you want to see the products of. So for example, I want to see the products of food and grocery, so I'll tap on it. So as you can see, all the categories under it fall under it. So this way you can categorize and know which product to buy. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.